Good morning to all. Today we are all gathered here to celebrate International Day of Tolerance by our 50th year students. On behalf of our institution, I would like to welcome you all for the celebration. In 1995, UNESCO created this Declaration of Principles on Tolerance as a way to define and provide awareness of tolerance for any and all governing and participating bodies. That day in 1995 was November 16th. Now, as an anniversary of the declaration, we celebrate the International Day for Tolerance every November 16 to help spread tolerance and raise awareness of any tolerance that may still be prevalent in the world today. Although we should be tolerant every day, it's always good to have one occasion to remind us just how important tolerance is. Additionally, UNESCO created an award to recognize those with the great achievements in promoting the spirit of tolerance or non-violence in fields such as the science, culture, and the arts. Once again, I welcome you all to the celebration.
I am Arunvarsha Mary, studying 5th standard A section. Good morning everyone. Present here, I am going to speak on tolerance. Tolerance for those who agree with you is not tolerance at all. People who agree with us, we hardly feel any anger or resentment against them. We feel anger against those who differ from us. Tolerance actually means accepting behavior or opinion that you do not agree with. So anything or anyone that you agree with is not within the purview of tolerance. Jesus not only preached tolerance but practiced it when he being crucified. He said, Father, forgive them, for they do not know what they are doing. Similarly, Gandhi also taught and practiced it. In conclusion, it can be said the tolerance is to be shown to those who agree with you. Otherwise it is not tolerance. Thank you.
I am Mithun, 5A, National Day of Tolerance.
Good morning to everyone. I am Mohammed Hassan from 5th A. I am here to say about some few points about Tolerance Day. United Nations and its member states observe maintaining Day for Peace and Tolerance on the 16th November of every year. International Day for Peace and Tolerance was first celebrated in the year 1966 by the United Nations General Assembly UNGA. On the day of the United Nations International Day for Tolerance and UNESCO Madanjit Sign Award, the promotion of tolerance and non-violence is given away to people across different fields. The awardees are people who have achieved a significant milestone in the area of art, culture, science, technology and media. The promotion of tolerance and non-violence award created by UNESCO in the year 1950. It marked the 125th birth anniversary of the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Pranavesh from 5th Standard A section.
Greetings to everyone. I am Darshini of 5th A. I am here to deliver the speech about the International Day of Tolerance. The International Day for Tolerance is an annual observance day declared by UNESCO in 1995 to generate public awareness of the dangers of intolerance. It is observed on today, 16th November. The day was started by the United Nations General Assembly. The main aim behind starting this day was to make educational institutions and people at large believe that tolerance is an integral part of society. Tolerance is respect, acceptance and appreciation of the rich diversity of our world cultures, our forms of expression and ways of being human. An example of tolerance is Muslims, Christians and atheists being friends. Tolerance is an important concept that helps people to live together peacefully. In 1996, the UN General Assembly invited UN member states to observe the International Day for Tolerance on 16 November. This action followed up on the United Nations Year for Tolerance. It is a day for respecting the cultures, beliefs and traditions other and understanding the risk posed by intolerance. We can show our tolerance by changing our perspective and by practicing respect. Additionally, UNESCO created an award to recognize those with great achievements in promoting the spirit of tolerance in fields such as science, cultures and the arts. The UNESCO International Day for Tolerance recognizes that tolerance is a universal human right. Thank you.